Welcome to our channel. Today we'll reveal a secret recipe that will help your garden thrive like never before. We'll show you how to make a powerful mixture that improves soil health and allows your plants to grow stronger and healthier. This special blend increases your soil's water holding capacity and nutrient retention, making your garden more resilient and fertile. Stay tuned to learn how you can easily make this incredible mixture at home and give your plants the best possible start. Let's get started. In this episode, we'll use biochar, compost, and compost tea to create the most powerful liquid mixture. Biochar is produced by roasting organic matter at high temperatures with little oxygen. This process preserves the material's structure, resulting in porous fragments with tiny chambers. These chambers can store water, nutrients, and beneficial microbes. Biochar also increases the soil's water holding capacity and nutrient retention, making it more drought resistant and productive. We will first activate and prepare a liquid biochar mixture, which will significantly improve the quality of our soil. So let's get started. First, we'll need about 2 kilograms of compost and 1 kilogram of biochar. Before you use them, crush them into small pieces. We'll mix these ingredients thoroughly. To make it more powerful, instead of using regular water, we will add compost tea. If you don't have compost tea, try non-chlorinated water. Mix them thoroughly and cover the 5-gallon bucket with breathable cloth for at least 3 days. The longer, the better. When we leave the mixture for a few days, the microbes multiply and colonize the biochar, making it even more effective when applied to the soil. This process, known as charging the biochar, ensures that it is ready to support plant growth right away after application. We let the mixture sit for 7 days. After 7 days, you can see how potent the mixture appears. The mixture can now be used to feed your plants, but it will also make an excellent addition to your garden beds at the start of the growing season. First, we will water our bed because the mixture contains millions of microbes that will die without water. After watering, we'll simply sprinkle this fantastic mixture on top of the soil. Now, let me explain why this combination will be beneficial. We create a supercharged soil amendment by combining biochar, compost, and compost tea. The porous structure of biochar creates an ideal environment for beneficial microbes, which are necessary for healthy soil and plant growth. These microbes help to break down organic matter, making nutrients more available to plants. The compost adds organic matter and nutrients to the mix, whereas the compost tea adds even more beneficial microorganisms and nutrients. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video will help you create a more productive and sustainable garden. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening information and tutorials.